Continuing on, we can talk about gluteus medius. So if gluteus maximus attached on the posterior aspect of the ilium, specifically medial to this posterior gluteal line, we can talk about the muscle that attaches just anterior to it, in between the posterior gluteal line and the anterior gluteal line. So right in this region is going to be one of the attachment sites of our gluteus medius muscle. Our gluteus medius muscle attaches to the posterior aspect of the ilium, specifically in between the posterior and anterior gluteal lines. But it does not end there. Our gluteus medius muscle has fibers that run and attach to the greater trochanter of the femur. This is our greater trochanter of the femur. It is on the posterior lateral aspect of the femur, just like this gluteal tuberosity, but up here is where the gluteus medius muscle will attach. Not only that, but other muscles as well, as we will continue talking about them. After gluteus medius, we have gluteus minimus, and gluteus minimus, to continue on with those gluteal lines that we were talking about, as the gluteus maximus has an attachment site medial to this posterior gluteal line. Gluteus medius has an attachment site in between this posterior gluteal line and this anterior gluteal line in this region. Gluteus minimus has an attachment site between the anterior gluteal line and the inferior gluteal line right here in this region. Not only that, but that gluteus minimus muscle that we see here on the model, its fibers will run to attach on the greater trochanter of the femur, just like that gluteus medius muscle.